Hello parents, my name is Don Hicks and I'm the supervisor of elementary mathematics for Carroll County Public Schools. Over the past few years, our math curriculum has transitioned as we've aligned with the Common Core state standards, which the state of Maryland adopted in June of 2010 for all public schools in the state. The Common Core standards are more focused than previous lists of curriculum standards. And as a result of this focus, teachers can now go deeper in their lessons and model many strategies to solve problems so that our students can develop as thinkers and can truly understand the concepts they are learning in elementary math that lay the foundation for math in middle school, high school, and in college. Since some of these teaching strategies are being used more often than in the past and may not be familiar to everyone, I'll be posting brief videos throughout the year to show some of these techniques being utilized by our terrific teachers and their students in their classrooms. I hope you find these videos to be helpful as we continue our important partnership in your children's education.
In this video, we visit the third grade classroom of Mrs. Jamie Rooney at William Winchester Elementary School. Mrs. Rooney is utilizing a teaching strategy called a number talk. A number talk is an important strategy that promotes fluency and flexibility with numbers. It allows children to learn from each other as they discuss the various ways they solve problems. The methods you will see the students use here have been modeled by the teacher in previous lessons. These strategies or methods include repeated addition, combining smaller sums, using multiples of 10, using arrays, and decomposing or breaking apart numbers.
All right, so let's take a look at this multiplication problem. 9 times 6 equals. So I want you to take a moment and think of a strategy you can use to solve this problem in your brain without your fingers. Does someone have a strategy that they would like to share? Josiah, let's start with you. Nice and loud for me, sir.
You do 9 6 times.
What do you mean by do 9 6 times?
Like you write 9 6 times.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2 of the 9s equals 18.
Okay, what operation are you doing?
Adding.
Okay.
And the other 9 equals 18.
This 9 equals 18?
The other 2 9s equals 18.
Okay.
And then the other 2 9s equal 18.
So you were combining these numbers together? So you were really adding them? Okay.
And 18 plus 18 equals 36. And 36 plus 18 equals 54.
Okay. So what is 54?
The total.
The total for 9 times 6? Can anyone else tell me why Josiah was able to add 9 together 6 times? Brooke?
Because multiplication is repeated addition. So if you do 9 6 times, you would add that and then you would get 54.
Okay, so we're just adding 9 together 6 times. All right, good job. Does someone have another strategy that we could use? Carolyn, what would you do to solve this problem in your head?
You could do 9 times 6, and instead of 9 times 6, you could do 10 times 6.
Okay.
And 10 times 6 equals 60. And then 60 minus 6 equals 54.
So tell me, where did you get this 10 from?
I got it because I added one more group of 6.
Okay.
And then 10 times 6 is easier than 9 times 6.
Okay. So going back to what Josiah did with the repeated addition, you just added one more group of 6? Can you explain to me what you did here?
Well, you would have to subtract the group of 6 because 9 times 6 doesn't equal 60. And since you added a group of 10, then you're going to, a group of 6, then you're going to have to subtract a group of 6, which equals 54.
Good job. Does everyone see what she did? She had to add one group of 6. So instead of 9 groups of 6, she now had 10 groups of 6. And because she added that group of 6, she then had to go back and subtract it to find her answer. And Carolyn, you said you got a total of 54? All right. Does someone have a different strategy that they used? Landon?
I did an array.
Okay, you did an array. What would our array look like?
9 columns
Okay.
and 9 means 6 rows.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what did you do from there?
I split it right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Draw a line.
And then 5 times 7 was
This is 5 times 7.
and 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 4 equals 24. And then 30 plus 24 equals 54.
All right, Landon, I'm curious, how did you get these two equations?
Because if you find the area of both, you get the total sum.
So you found the area of this part of your array, and then you found the area of this part of your array, and then what did you do once you had the area for both?
I added them up and I got the total sum.
You got the total. Okay, so what was your total?
54.
54. All right, thank you, Landon. And how about one more strategy? Let's see, let me get a different color. Brooke, can you share with us what you did?
Well, I started out with 9 times 6. And then I decomposed the 6 into 2 and 3. And then I did 9 times 3 equals 27.
Okay.
And then 27 times 2 equals 54.
All right, Brooke, I'm curious because we haven't learned how to multiply two-digit numbers yet. So how do you know that 27 times 2 equals 54?
Well, I did 27 plus 27.
Why did you add 27 together twice?
Because when you multiply by 2, it's just doubling that number.
Okay.
And then 7 plus 7 equals 14. And then 20 plus 20 equals 40. And then 14 plus 40 equals 54.
Wow, you did all that in your head? That's amazing. And how did you know to decompose 6 into 2 and 3?
Because I know that 2 times 3 equals 6.
Excellent job. And then so what did you do after you decomposed it? What did you do here?
Well, I didn't multiply with the 6 because I already decomposed that
Okay.
with the 2 and the 3. So then I did 2 times 3, and that would equal 27, and 27 is in your answer. So then you would do 27 times 2 equals 54.
Excellent thinking, Brooke. Thank you so much for sharing.